Practical Center, English Composition Set 1, Class 10, 2022 and 23. Essays. 4 major types of essays with their definition. First one is COVID-19. And the next is my favorite personality. My favorite personalities continue. Role of media in society. Cell phones. Global warming. Road accident. A price distribution function. Science in the modern world. Price distribution function. Science in the modern world. Remaining part, science in the modern world. Environmental pollution. Environmental pollution. Next is discipline.